video of the Phake Physics part of the speed switching subroutine. Phake Physics and speed switching are basically the same thing. They control the locomotive or terrain using keyboard shortcuts. They differ, however, in the way they approach it. Speed switching you can think of as being kind of like a DCC power pack for a model railroad, whereas Phake Physics is my attempt at adding physics simulation to the operation of your train. Now, to use it, we'll start the typical way. We'll press H for help. Speed switching is set by default, so if you want to use Phake Physics, right here it says press F2, so press F2. It says use Phake Physics, says yep, and here you go. Here's the Phake Physics help menu. As in last time, A is for auto follow, T is for throttle, B is for brake, N is for neutral, and R is for reverser. So it's a little bit same, a little bit different. I'm going to leave the schedule window open for this demonstration so you can see what's going on. Close the help window. Our train is selected. We'll hit R for reverser. It's going in the reverse direction, and I'll hit T for throttle. And as you can see, the train is slowly accelerating. It's like a train. You just crack the throttle and it will just keep accelerating until you do something, or the grade or terrain or something slows it down. Anyway, I'm up to 7, 8, 9. This layout is set for a maximum speed of 11, so it's not going to go faster than 11. If I want to stop it, I press B for brake, and the train starts to slow down. And it's not stopping fast enough, so give it a little more brake. See, I got 8 pounds over here on the schedule window. B for brake again, 12 pounds, and finally the engine or train comes to a stop. Hit R for reverser. Now you can only reverse direction like a real train while the train is stopped. So hit T for throttle, and it's not accelerating fast enough, so give it a little more throttle. And we're going to go over here and couple onto these cars if all is well. So we're moving along at 11. We're going to slow down a little bit, hit B for brake, do it twice, put 8 pounds in it. And when it gets to 7, 6, 5, well, it's down to coupling speed 4 miles per hour, I hit N for neutral. That holds it at the speed it's going. So coupling speed is 4. So I'm going to tie onto these cars, and as soon as they couple, press brake, give it a lot of jam, and boom, it comes to a stop eventually. Like a train. Hit R for reverser and T for throttle. And this just demonstrates that because there's more cars, there's more weight, so the train accelerates a lot slower. So you need to add a little more heat. So hit throttle a couple of more times. It's opened up at 4, 7 miles per hour, 8 miles an hour. That's a good speed. And we're pulling out onto the loop here at 9 miles per hour. And again, when it's time to stop, hit B for brake. Put some jam on it there, and eventually the train comes to a stop. So that's it. Phake Physics controls a train like speed switching does, but it does it using physics simulation. And I'll be honest with you, it's a little bit harder to use than speed switching. So once you get your chops on speed switching, switch on over to Phake Physics and have some fun. Thank you.